Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 14. This is the nice purple version, a little bit more lavender than purple, but basically hot off the presses, just came out yesterday, and we're going to show you how to change the brightness on the screen. So there's two ways of doing this. We're going to show you both of them in this video. So first of all, the kind of standard way to do it is look for the settings menu. This is the concentric gears here. This is the default position. You might have to look for it around here or just type in search for settings. So just click on it, and then you want to go to display and brightness. So pretty clear, right? And then there's the brightness slider here. So this is all the way dark. This is too bright for the camera at least. And so you don't want to go all the way because that'll basically burn your battery really fast, but find something midway. And then also keep in mind that it will auto adjust brightness. So when you go outside, it'll actually bump that up, or if you're in a dark room, it'll bump it down. There's also some other options here. We'll walk through these really fast. Trutone will adjust the color of the screen depending on the color of the light that you're in. So if you're outdoors versus indoors with like a blue light or a white light or whatever, it adjusts that. Night shift will basically have your screen sort of color shift as it gets later, so it doesn't keep you awake. And then you can basically do warm or more warm. That's like way too warm. This is less warm. So you can adjust the temperature so it doesn't, I think the blue light keeps you more awake or something like that late at night. So other than that, there's also auto lock. We have a separate video explaining that. And then some things related to the screen like raise to wake. That's the kind of standard way to do it. There's also the shortcut way to do it, which is if you pull down here, you can actually see this slider here. So that's kind of the one that you might just do, especially if your phone's already locked, just really quick, adjust the brightness because you went outside. And then if you actually hold this down and press, it will go to a much larger one, which gives you much finer control. So this is only really important like if you're in a dark room and you, okay, maybe that's too dark, so you set it like a little bit higher. So it's hard to be as fine-tuned when you're here on this smaller one. So yeah, just set that. And oh, by the way, you can also set dark mode, you can set night shift mode, and you can set true tone as well. So anyway, that's how to change the brightness on an iPhone 14. Definitely check out other videos for this. And oh, by the way, we also did the 14 Pro, so we have both of those. So see you guys later here on Howtechs. Bye.
Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a hot off the presses iPhone 13 Pro Max dual physical SIM Hong Kong version. And today I'm going to show you how to insert and remove